Good morning students, Sairam. Students, we are going to start our case study session from now. Students, now in this video we are going to solve the case studies of chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is nature and significance of business. Now the case study 1 is Sachin's father has gifted him an old laptop. Sachin wants a latest laptop with some advanced feature on his coming birthday, as the old laptop was not of needed by his father. He decided to sell the laptop on OLX.com and then purchase a new one. Sachin sold his laptop and was very delighted to make his first business deal. While making his purchase of new laptop from Flipkart, he read a notice but some relief material being collected for J&K flood relief work. He informed his friend about the relief material. They informed a team of 5 students and decided to collect the material from their neighborhood and sell for the relief work. And can the transaction by Sachin be termed as the business transaction? Why or why not? Look students, this is not his business. The reason is no. The answer is no, and the reason is there is no regularity. If we do a business and its feature is regularity in business, so there is no regularity. He sell his goods and do business only for one time, okay, because he wants to sell his old laptop, because he want to purchase a new laptop and contribute that amount to for the new laptop. So this is not a business. This is, what is this? This is a selling of their old laptop for one time. So if we do a business, its main feature is that there is a regularity in business. Means if we do a business, it must be regular. So this is not a business. Next is name the services which is related for the following cases. So there are the many services students which helps the businesses, like services to or the auxiliaries to aids like transportation, advertising, insurance, banking, warehouses. So we have to find out from this example, this point, from these points, that which one is come under which. Now number 1 is the service which helps in removing the hindrance of knowledge. So student, who removes the hindrance of knowledge of the customers? Advertising. What the advertising do? Advertising give them the full information about the product. Next one is the service which helps in removing the hindrance of exchange. So hindrance of exchange means from one place to another place. Who remove this hindrance? Transportation. Next one is the services which help in remove the hindrance of place. So second point is the service which helps in removing the hindrance of exchange, means financial exchange like banking. Next one is the services which help in removing the hindrance of place. Place means when we want to move our product from one place to another. So who help us? Transport. Next one is who remove the hindrance of time. So who remove the hindrance of time? Because we want to store our product for a long period of time, so warehouse. Next one is which helps in removing the hindrance of risk. If we want that our product is being secured from any hazard or any loss, so what we want? We want an insurance. Okay, now next one is business involve only sale and exchange of goods for profit. Do you agree with this? No, business does not involve only sale and exchange of goods and services for profit. The sale and purchase of must be on regular basis. If a person sells his old scooter at a profit, it does not contribute to business. Understood? It is just same like the first one. Now next one is Mr. Bhuvan is a chartered accountant in the multinational company. He gets 85,000 per month as his salary. On weekend, Mr. Bhuvan goes to the nearby village and teaches some slum children. He does not charge anything for them. He does it out of sympathy and concern for poor children. This gives his mental and psychological satisfaction. Working as CA in a MNC refers to which type of human activity? He works as a CA, and what he get? He get salary. Okay, so it is a part of economic activity. Okay, next one is teaching student. Which type of human activity is this? This is we do for our mental satisfaction. That means it is a non-economic activity. Next one is identify the value formed by Bhuvan. So what are the value which is formed by the Bhuvan? Value of love and care, value of helping poor. Now last case study is Nikhil wants to start a wholesale business of stationery items, but he is hesitating as it involve hindrance related to finding customers. Okay, so moving goods from place to of the production to the market, storing goods because of the time gap between production and consumption, risk of theft, fire, accident, procurement of capital to finance above activity, providing the information to the consumers about the product, etc. He approaches his friend Anand to discuss this problem. Anand, who himself imports the electric appliances for the purpose of exporting them to other countries, advises Nikhil to carry out with his plan and explain to him various functions performed by the second limb of business, that is commerce. Okay. Anand elaborate on various advantages of trade and auxiliaries to trade. Look students, they are talking about the auxiliaries to trade. Okay, so which remove the hindrance of laces, finance, risk. Okay, after getting convinced by the advice given by Anand, Nikhil start the business named Nikhil Limited and find no major problem at all on converting his desire into to a business venture. Nikhil gets his company registered under the Company Act 2013. Name the part of the commerce that which exclusively help in the process of trading the goods and services is trade. Okay. Now name the type of trade under which Anant was doing with his business. He wants to do business externally, means from outside of the boundary of a country or a territory of a country. That means it is a external trade. Next one is name the services which helps a Nikhil to remove the hindrance of storing stationary goods. Who remove the hindrance of storing? Warehouses. Last one is name the services which help the Nikhil to remove the hindrance of place. Hindrance of place means moving the product from one place to another. Who removed which service removed is transport. Okay, so I hope you all have understood how to solve the case studies. Look student, this is a most important part of business study. In 11th class, your question paper contain 50% case study and 50% normal question. So it's better to solve case study at home, and you have if you have any problem, then we will discuss that in our online session. Okay class, thank you Sai Ram.